like to introduce you to the Leatherman Tread. We just launched this yesterday, and this will be available in May. It's a full multi-tool that you can wear right in your wrist, and it was developed by the president of our company, who had a problem when he entered Disneyland. He had a multi-tool in his pocket, and he put it in the bottom of his pocket, and guards came up to him and said, "Why are you, what have you got in your pocket?" And he told him he had a multi-tool. They escorted him back to his hotel room. He had to put the multi-tool back and then go back into the park. So while he was there, he was designing this tool in his head, and it happened about 2 years ago. So this is the tool that you can wear in your wrist. It starts out with a bottle opener right there, and as you walk around, you'll see various tools from hex bits, you got a Phillips, wrenches, more screwdrivers and bits, and as you walk around this tool, it is just loaded with all the various tools, including an oxygen bottle wrench right there, Torx bit, smaller screwdrivers. It'll have a glass break on it right here to take your SIM card out of your iPhone or your telephone right there. It's also got a cutter on it for cutting, and it all fits very easily and nicely right on your wrist. And then later in the summer, you're going to see this. This is the next generation, which will be the watch that incorporates the bracelet there too.
Price point?
This will be about $600 list. This will be about $210 or so.
Okay.
There's a stainless steel version which will be less expensive.